Yo, YouTube, what's good? We're back with another banger video. Today's video is all about how to get y'all a $50,000 auto loan. I know y'all want to get into this car game, man. This car game is fun, bro. I got this Challenger over here, bro. I know y'all trying to get y'all first car. It's a lot of different things y'all trying to do. And I guess what? I got the answer to all that stuff right here in this video. So before we get into this video, man, I need y'all to do three things for me. Smash that like button. Drop me a comment below and also subscribe. That helps out a ton. Without further ado, I'm going to explain how to get this $50,000 auto loan. Let's get it. Yo, we're back. So now I'm going to explain to y'all completely the whole sauce on how to get a $50,000 auto loan. Because I chose $50,000 to be the limit for y'all because that pretty much gives y'all a wide range of spectrum of cars. That's what I had got pre-approved for. This car was a fraction of that. I only used like what 25 to get this car, which was pretty cool. But at the same time, I still had a pre-approval for 50,000, so that was just all the better. You know what I'm saying? So this is how exactly I did that, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain that. So the first thing I did was I made sure my credit was in order. In order for you to get a $50,000 auto loan, you need to have some decent credit, bro. I'm just be real with y'all. With this trash credit, you know what I'm saying? These 300, 400 scores, bro, you're not finna be doing nothing, bro. I also offer mentorship, bro. So if y'all want me to help y'all get y'all credit in order, bro, feel free to top down below in the comments below. Tell me, hey, I want to sign up for the mentorship and some more information. I'll send that to y'all. But yeah, you need to get your credit in order, bro. Like I said, when I got the $50,000 approval, my credit score was a 700. So basically, what I recommend you doing is this too. When you're trying to get these car loans and stuff, y'all thinking about going to the dealership and doing it, right? Nah, bro, you got to do some outside financing, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. Outside financing is where it's at, bro. You can get better rates most of the time. Like what outside financing is, like say for example, instead of you just going to a dealership, letting them run your credit like 6 times to a lot of different institutions, which is what they do. Dealership will send out your credit, like they'll run your credit, right? And that's why I have like 6 and 7 different inquiries at a time, and so and that actually shoots your credit down. So say you go to one dealership, right, and you end up not getting a car from that dealership. What ends up happening is they ran your credit 7 times. They shot your credit for a minute. So guess what? You got to wait another 6 months, bro, till it gets back right. And it'll get back right with a hard increase, but it takes at least 6 months. So in order to avoid doing all of that, you'll get some outside finance. Okay, so now you're probably like, well, Rasheed, where do I get outside financing at? I got you. You need to go to a credit union. Do not go to these big banks, bro. These big banks are not throwing out the bag like the credit unions are, bro. Oh, credit union, I recommend y'all checking out Navy Fed, bro. Navy Fed, they threw out some money for me too. I did Navy Fed. I think I did Redstone Credit Union. That's one local in my city, bro. But you got to check your area, make sure you can use some of these credit unions in your area. Cause a lot of credit gurus talk about different institutions, but some of them only like location specific. So you got to find it out too. But what you do is you go online on their website and you apply for the loan. So instead of you going and going to a dealership, letting them run your credit, you go online to one of these, institution website, apply for a loan there and everything like that. Some data points you're going to need, like I said, a decent credit score, bro. I recommend y'all having at least a 670 or above. If you want to sit really pretty and like, really have like true no doc, I recommend y'all having like a 720, 740. I got like a 750 right now. So that, it sits me real pretty and everything like that. Now, with the income thing, that's a big problem too with it, income. You need to have a job. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. It's gonna be hard to get approved for stuff if y'all are self-employed. I know a lot of us out there are entrepreneurs and everything like that. That's cool, but as far as getting approved for stuff purposes, I recommend y'all having like at least some W-2 income shown first. You know what I'm saying? Because I was actually trying to get approved for a home one time, right? And I couldn't get approved for the home for real because my W-2 income wasn't up to par, and everything like that. And I was like kind of in between jobs and doing like waiting tables and all that. That's not gonna help out, bro. You need a decent paying W-2 job. It's one of these things that y'all gonna need if y'all get approved for, auto loan or anything, bro. They gonna want pay stubs. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. You can't avoid that pay stub because like they're gonna be like, hey man, let me see, can you pay? What can you afford to pay? And this honestly makes sense, bro. You having them checking pay stubs, just them being sure like, hey, you can pay this loan. So what you do is, you make sure your income's on point. So say you got that. So you go, okay, I got a decent job. I'm at that point. I got the income in order. I got my credit score in order. Next step, you go online, apply for a pre-approval. Once you get that pre-approval, bro, you take that pre-approval into the dealership. And now you have some leverage room. You see what I'm saying? You got leverage over these salesmen, bro, because these salesmen, bro, I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I'm a salesman myself, so I know the tactics. I'll never work for a car dealership. That's a scammy, you know, situation right there. Like, they put you in some mess that'll mess you up for 5, 6, 7 years. Y'all know how long the loan will be, bro. So what you need to do is you get that pre-approval, right? So I recommend getting at least 2 or 3 pre-approvals, bro. Don't get just one. Like, you know, some people, they just get one pre-approval and they go ahead and just take that and they gonna run with that, bro. Because the thing gonna be killing y'all with these car loans is interest rates, bro. Y'all need to try to get the lowest rate possible. And honestly, on that first car loan, though, they're probably gonna try to play with you just a tad bit. And the reason they're gonna try to play with you, bro, and just being completely honest and real with y'all, is just because you never had a car loan, bro. It's a thing like a bank looking at you like, well, man, you never had a car loan, so why can we give you the lowest rate or whatever up front, and we don't even know if you can pay it or anything like that. So you need to still shop for the best rate, but it's kind of harder to get a low rate sometimes when you first start. Now, I'm just being honest. That's what I've seen, you know? Based on personal experience, that's what I've seen. So be prepared, and then y'all need to pay attention to interest rates now too, because interest rates now are insane and through the roof. So, you know what I'm saying? There might be some issues there. So pay attention to interest rate. Go get you about 2 or 3 pre-approvals, right? Then what you do after that is you take them into the dealership, right? You don't tell the dealer, I'm gonna give y'all some dealer sauce, bro. Like, y'all tune in right here. This is what y'all really need to pay attention at, the dealer sauce. Once you go in the dealership, bro, do not tell them you got pre-approval. Do not ever mention that until you get to the end, till you see all the paperwork and everything like that. You know, you already go look for don't let them not put you in a car, because you already know, if you already got the pre-approval, bro, you already know what you can afford, bro. So you don't need to let them put you in none and then like anything like that. They talking about, you know, run your credit real quick. Like, no, I ain't trying to do that. They'll be like, no, I ain't trying to do that. I just want you to give me the paper to show me all the finance fees and all that. And y'all boys gotta learn how to negotiate too, man. Negotiation is a big tactic in this, you know, car game and everything like that. When y'all trying to get an auto loan, at least know basic negotiation skills. It's a lot of books you can read. I'm gonna start teaching that in my mentorship. So like I said, go down below if y'all want to get in that. Negotiation is gonna be a big key factor getting these cars, bro, because they'll play with you, bro. They'll play with you. Like, even on this car back here, bro, I kind of took low-key a bad deal. Like, I'm a little negative on it. You know what I'm saying? But if you get a newer car, you won't be as negative. You know what I'm saying? So I recommend, honestly, try to get you a newer model car, you know what I'm saying, or a car that retains its value. You know, used cars, you can get used cars that are cool, but at the same time, you just got to be smart with it, because, you know, if you ever want to trade in or anything like that, you don't want to roll over that negative equity. I don't preach that over here. We ain't rolling over no negative equity, bro. We're going to pay that down and, you know, do what we're going to do. But yeah, so once you got the pre-approval, you in the dealership, you negotiating in there and all that kind of stuff, get them to come down on some of their dealer fees and all that, bro. Get them to come down, because they going to try to tax y'all, bro. I'm just being honest. Especially like if y'all trying to get Challengers, Chargers, Scat Packs, Hellcats, any sports car, you know, any luxury cars and stuff, they're going to tax you, bro. They're going to try to. So you need to know how to negotiate and be like, nah, man, that don't make sense. Why pay $1,000, $2,000 in like paperwork fees? It don't make sense, bro. So y'all need to learn how to do that too. And like I said, you get your pre-approval, your credit in order, and you in the dealership with your pre-approval letter, bro. That's all you need to do, bro. Like, getting your credit straight is the main thing, bro. Like, that's gonna be the main thing. Like, making sure y'all get y'all some credit cards. Like, literally, get y'all a couple credit cards, use them. You know what I'm saying? Pay them back every month. That's something I recommend doing. Don't carry a balance. You know what I'm saying? Build that up for 6 months. Cause like, I got to address the people that are in the beginning stage, you know what I'm saying, and are actually trying to, you know, build their credit up to get to the point where they can start affording, like, you know, getting cars and stuff like that. Because some of y'all might have no credit. So yeah, I need to go get a couple credit cards, man. Get you some secured cards, or get you some unsecured funding or whatever you can get approved for it, and, you know, pay it back every month and everything like that. Do it for like 6 months to a year. Then you'll be ready. You'll be sitting at that 700, bro. It's not hard, bro. I'm dropping a lot of content on how to get y'all credit right. So make sure y'all follow my channel, bro. I'm finna drop a bunch of content for y'all. It's gonna be a lot of bangers on the way. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole sauce to get a $50,000 auto loan, bro. All you need to really do is make sure, you know, you get some outside funding, because that's gonna be the main thing, get approved for outside funding. You're gonna need your pay stubs and your credit in order, you know, proof of address, all that good kind of stuff. That's gonna be the main thing you need. The main source of for real is that credit and that proof of income. You can't provide proof of income, bro, you're screwed. I'm just being honest. You're screwed. You're not gonna be able to get it. You know what I'm saying? So listen, I'm gonna get up out of here, bro. I dropped some major sauce for y'all. If y'all like the video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Sheeski here, signing off. Y'all be safe. Peace out.